To our beloved School Division Superintendent, Ma'am Jusita B. Carmen Seso 5, ably represented by the Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Marilu A. Laurencio. Our Public Schools District Supervisor, Sir Philip F. Deliana. Our brilliant guest speaker, Professor Fernand G. Bernardes. To our esteemed and respected School Principal 4, Ma'am Venus A. Disinelia Bahao. Our supportive SPTA officials, headed by the active SPTA President, Mr. Rodolito L. Ranoco. Members of the Core Execom, department heads, ACNHS faculty and staff, friends, parents, fellow completers, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. We gather today to mark a significant milestone in our lives. Seems like finishing a long, complex television series. This season of junior high has finally ended, and unlike some shows, we know our time was well spent. Together, we navigated late-night cramming, perfected the art of handling assignments, especially research. A special thanks to Ma'am Antoniette Julina for being my coach for my research contest held this month. And more importantly, we learned resilience, teamwork, and the importance of pancit canton plus coffee. But none of this would have been possible without the incredible support system we had along the way. To our beloved junior high school teachers from grades 7 to 10, we appreciate the learnings together with the memories that we will forever carry in our hearts and minds in the paths that we will be paving in the future. Your dedication, patience, and passion have inspired us to push our limits and discover new strengths. Of course, our advisors were always there for us throughout the school year journey. To my advisor, Sir Pretty Cat Meking, I am so grateful with your guidance and presence for us Archie Cuties. To our dear alma mater, Agusan del Sur National High School, we would like to extend our utmost gratitude for shaping us into who we are today and instilling in us the values of respect, empathy, and honesty. To our families, especially to my ma, pa, nay, tay, tita, tito, mame, dade, those have been our personal cheerleaders, therapists, and baon providers. Thank you. You've pretended to understand our homework so you can help us, listened to our rants about school, and celebrated every small victory with us. Your unwavering support and love have provided a grounding and motivating foundation for us. And to our friends who have made us laugh when we really wanted to cry, shared assignments, shared notes, the teamwork, unity, those people who stood by us in every highs and lows. To my research friends who became my overnighters inside the science laboratory, and specifically to my BFF sa QT group chat, Althea, Wix, and of course to Gab, Ira. Thank you all for every moment. I will forever cherish those. It was a wild ride, and your camaraderie and friendship made it all worth it, even if some of us will depart ways for senior high. So here's to the friends who made us laugh, Archie Cuties, to the teachers who made us think, and to the families who made us believe in ourselves. And above all, here's to us, the completers of class 2023 to 2024 for surviving this journey together. And last but definitely not the least, thank you God for the blessings, guidance, wisdom, and perseverance given for us to endure this school year triumphantly. Now, as we prepare to binge watch the next season in the saga of our lives in senior high, remember, no matter how many plot twists come on our way, we have the skills, the knowledge, and the incredible support system to face them head on. Humbly standing in front of you, Vince Elijah E. Aurelia, an outstanding gold medalist from this school year's grade 10 class, saying, in the next season, remember this. Life is like watching a television series. We laugh, we cry, and we learn valuable lessons with every episode. Once again, congratulations to us completers of the year 2023 to 2024. Thank you, and once again, God bless.